everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have a 200-gram cake from Winda Fireworks called Silent Power. This is part of their low noise collection, and it is a 15-shot horsetail cake. Let's see, yeah, the performance is up here. So performance, gorgeous horsetail effects with brocade mine. So these actually have some mines in it, which I find pretty cool. We got this over there at Badaboom in Blakeslee, Pennsylvania. And the inside, everything's vertical. There's no angles on this one. Very interested to see how this does. I actually got into liking horsetails recently. I used to dislike them, but I think they're pretty cool, especially if they have long hang time. So remember, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, like, and comment your thoughts on this cake. I really want to know what you guys think. I'll see you.